Inside the fountain body, you'll find the light cord as well as the tubing that connects to the pump. Connect the tubing to the output of the pump and check to make sure the flow control is set to full strength. The pump should sit flat at the bottom of the fountain body. You'll then connect the two-prong light cord to the transformer or power supply, making sure it's fully seated and securely in place. Make sure the cords, especially the light cord, go well inside the fountain body before installing the access door. The LED lights do come pre-installed, but best to have a look at it, and especially to make sure that it sits flat in the bottom. You'll notice that there's a groove where the cord fits in so that the light sits flush at the bottom. The light holder also doubles as a water return hole, so best not to use any material that would obstruct the water from returning down into the basin. The reservoir basin area is fairly large, so make sure when filling it that you allow that bowl to be at least half to 3/4 full. Upon first startup, you may have to adjust the flow a little bit. Wiping the output there with a little bit of Vaseline is helpful. It's especially important to use the foam filter that's provided, remembering that you will have to keep it clean. However, it will provide a very smooth flow once it's properly installed. The New Haven fountain operates best when the outer bowl is kept 1/2 to 3/4 full, noting that there's an overflow at the front should you fill it a little too far.